Have you ever wondered about the hidden potential of turmeric essential oil in naturally repairing nerve damage? This intriguing oil, derived from the turmeric root, not only captivates with its vibrant hue, but also with a plethora of benefits that have caught the attention of researchers and health enthusiasts alike. Turmeric essential oil is rich in curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research suggests that curcumin may play a pivotal role in nerve repair by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, key factors that can hinder recovery from nerve damage. A study published in the Journal of Neurochemistry highlights the impressive capacity of curcumin to promote nerve cell growth and regeneration. Rich in vitamins such as C, E, and various B vitamins, turmeric essential oil functions synergistically to foster nerve health. Vitamin C is renowned for its antioxidant properties, helping to combat oxidative stress that may exacerbate nerve damage. Research indicates that vitamin E can enhance nerve conduction velocity, which is critical for recovery. Moreover, B vitamins play an integral role in maintaining healthy nerve function, supporting both repair and regeneration. Now let's delve into the 7 compelling benefits of turmeric essential oil. Firstly, its potent anti-inflammatory qualities help to alleviate pain, serving as an effective natural remedy for neuropathic discomfort. This is particularly reassuring for those recovering from nerve injuries. Secondly, turmeric oil is celebrated for its antioxidant properties, which aid in combating free radicals that can cause further nerve damage. And the third benefit, which is intriguing, is enhancing circulation. Improved blood flow is essential for nutrient delivery and healing processes within the nervous system. Fourthly, the essential oil possesses antimicrobial properties, ensuring that infections do not complicate the healing of nerves. Moreover, the fifth benefit of turmeric oil lies in its ability to lower stress and anxiety levels. Chronic stress can impede the body's natural healing processes. Thus, employing turmeric oil in aromatherapy can soothe the mind and foster an environment conducive to recovery. The sixth intriguing aspect is its role in promoting a healthy immune response. A strengthened immune system can robustly defend against many conditions that threaten nerve health. Lastly, the seventh benefit, its nutritional richness. Turmeric essential oil contains vitamins such as B6, which is crucial for nerve function, and vitamin E, known to support nerve cell health. Research underscores the importance of these vitamins in facilitating nerve repair and regeneration. Now let us discuss how to utilize turmeric essential oil effectively. Dilute it with a carrier oil, such as coconut, to ensure safe application. Gently massage the mixture onto the affected area, ideally twice a day, for the best results. You can also incorporate it into diffusers or inhale it directly for additional health benefits, stimulating both your mind and body. Consider adding a few drops to a diffuser for aromatherapy benefits. This potent oil not only highlights the versatility of natural remedies, but also invites curiosity about how we can harness nature's power for healing. Do you want to give turmeric essential oil a chance in your wellness journey? Embrace this golden elixir, not just for its aroma, but for its potential to support nerve repair and enhance overall well-being. For more eye-healthy tips and insights, please subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell to get notified for new videos. And you can watch more of our videos somewhere here.